Okay. I forgot to share it. Now?
Yes, sir. Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So these are the three lines. We want to input the age from user, and we have a condition over here. If it keyword, age is the condition followed by a colon, then print eligible to vote. What will be the output, or it will throw an error?
It will throw an error.
Why?
So because print statement is not indented.
Very good. See, in Python, indentation important. Like in COVID, you used to tell social distancing is very important. Python, indentation very important. Indentation means spacing, because spacing defines block of code. Spacing defines block of code. So I'll again do if one underscore statement expected an indented block. Okay. So what I need to do, if I press enter key from here, it will automatically start with a space, with a tab space actually. Now it will print. Enter your age, my age is 32, eligible to vote. Okay, understood or not, student? These three lines.
Yes, sir.
So once again repeat, sir.
Okay, from the beginning. Here age is a variable, input is used to get input from user. Okay, int because age can't we can't write is like 10.2 10.3, we never write. That is why int we have given, that we want strictly integer values, right? So if is a keyword over here, age greater than equal to 18, कंडीशन एक हमारे यहाँ पे कि अगर एज 18 से ज्यादा हुआ, 18 या 18 से ज्यादा हुआ, तो हम लोग एक लाइन यहाँ प्रिंट करेंगे एलिजिबल टू वोट। और बस इतना ही अभी प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं हम लोग। तो हम लोग क्या किया, बस रन मॉड्यूल किया, यहाँ पे हम लोग एज डालते हैं 18 एलिजिबल टू वोट, राइट। If I want to add one more line with eligible to vote, I'll again press enter, print in India starting age for voting is 18, right? What is the output, student? What will be output if I pressed if I given the age 20?
Sir, please correct the spelling of print.
Okay, thank you. What will be the output, student? If I give the age as 20,
Both statements will be printed.
only one voice. Other students, what will be the output? Only one line will be printed, both the line will be printed, error,
both the
no
line.
line will be printed. Both the lines. Why both the lines? Because it start with same indentation. Because it start same spacing. Either these two line will be executed or none of the line will be executed. So I'll see is both the lines are getting printed. Now one more change. How many lines will be printed
1.
if I give the age as 25? If I give the age 25, how many lines will be printed? Both. Only one line.
Sir, 1. 1 line.
One line. If I give age 25, what happened? It should not print actually. Wait. Should not print actually.
So you're telling that it should not be printed, then why are you telling this that it will not be printed?
Sorry.
What is the concept? So you're telling that both statements will not be printed even if that last print statement is not indented. So
Right.
means what is the concept behind it that you are telling that why it will not be printed?
Because see, indentation. What is indentation? It represents a block of code, right? If we are not printing our statement, what it should take and why it is printing, I got to know printing actually. See,
So I
this
think
is our
because
line.
print state that is last print
Simple.
statement
It
is
is
alone.
taking it as a simple print statement. That is why it is printing, my
Yes,
boy.
sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
That I am
and
saying.
uh, and I want to tell one more thing, student, that here, if age is greater than 18, we are always giving the age greater than 18, right? Every time. What if we give the age 15? What will happen? See, this is the condition. Condition is followed by a true statement. If the condition is true, this statement will get printed. The condition become false, the next line will be printed. The next line will be printed. If I write one more line over here, print check. Now we will get to know. If I am giving age 15, line is not indented as the statement for false condition. In India, starting age for voting is 18. If I switch this also to this part, and if I do it, nothing is printed because I have given no statement. I have given the age 15. For false statement, I haven't given anything. But if I give all the three statements will get printed. Still confused? Students,
Yes, sir.
please respond. Please respond. No, if you will not respond, I will not get to know. See, if condition is there, colon, then we will writing statement 1. This will only be executed for true condition. If I write with the same indentation one more line, statement 2, then also it will get printed when the statement is true. Okay, but when indent, it will take for false statement, false condition. Now you will tell, अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग बोलते हैं if age greater than 18 और हम लोग यहाँ पे 15 डाल देते हैं, then which statement will get printed? Age 15. condition is age greater than equal to 18, which statement will get printed?
Third.
15 greater than equal.
False condition.
Sorry.
Sir, third statement.
Third statement. Yes, third statement will be printed. And if age is greater than 20, age is greater equal to 20, then
All the three statements will be printed.
no, Aditya.
First two statements, sir.
First two statement will get printed. No. See, these are the only condition. This is only for false case.
Sir, if the third statement is for false condition, then why haven't you added there else?
Right. See, only Aditya is telling correct that if condition is true, for if statement, all the three statement will be printed. That is why this is a flaw in if statement. This is a flaw, means गलती है if statement में, when we have else part also. That is why we need to take if else. Understood everyone? Understood Aditya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if we are writing only, if we are using only if statement, if condition, and if we are not using if else, then we need to give only true part. We don't bother about false part. So again I am sharing the screen. So we should not take false case if we are using only if statement. If we are using only, अगर हम लोग if statement use कर रहे हैं, if condition, हम लोग को false statement लेना ही नहीं है. Simple. We need not to use false statement. ठीक है? लेकिन धीरे जैसा कि बताया मैंने flaw है यहाँ पे, here is a flaw. Then for false statement we have if else. If else statement. If else condition. So we have something like else now. Okay with the code?
Sir, I think
Okay with
else
the coding,
statement will be
student?
indented with along with the if statement, if keyword.
Let us check now. Let us check. Why to worry?
Sir, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Invalid syntax. So always don't believe in this enter. Okay. Now okay. Now it is okay. Enter your 18.
Now, okay.
But what happened? Okay, 18 I have given. Now 15. In India, starting age for voting is 18. So now the flaw of if condition is solved with the help of else condition, right? And if I give these 20 only, two lines will be printed only. These block of codes, these two block of code will be printed, nothing else. So if and if else is next topic is if elif. I will change the program. If age is greater than equal to 18, then I'm printing this one. Then I have more condition. Here, in if else if we have two conditions, that it will be greater than or it will be less than. Now I want to add. Okay, I'll make a new program. Enter your percentage in class 10th code. If
नहीं आया सर.
here I'll write marks. अब greater than 90. Excellent. I'll give other condition. If marks greater than equal to 18 and marks less than 80. And we have studied, if both the inputs are true, then only the output will be true. Otherwise, false, right?
Yes, sir.
We have studied or not? Operators.
Yes, sir.
Then very good. Okay. Now, again I'll copy it. If marks less than 80, then passed. So we have designed a grade calculator. So if invalid syntax, where is the error? What is the error, student? And is double only. Okay. So I am pressing 85.
Sir, I think you have to use AND keyword.
Okay, right, very good. And keyword I need to use. See, actually I know C, C++, no, all are mixed. Okay. 85. Still it is not happening. Why? Still it is not coming. What is the problem in the program? For 90 it is coming. Okay. For 90 it is coming. For 70 it is coming. For mid one, no, it is not working. Equal to 80 and marks less than 80. Okay. Less than 90. Condition. This was the logical error. This is the logical
Yes,
error.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it will work. Okay. So I want to conclude with this, student. Fast. Open whiteboard. One condition. If two condition. If else. Greater than two condition. If if. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be uploading an assignment maybe today or tomorrow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
regarding this only. So we are about to complete this class. Hope the class is useful for you, and we have a success also that we have found the culprit, and I hope please revise the content, and 15 are present. Please, I request you guys to attend that assignment part, practice test. 15. Vaibhav,
Yes, sir.
switch on your video, Vaibhav.
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any doubt, student? Please ask. Seconds only left, I hope.
No, sir.
Akash,
No doubt, sir.
no doubt.
Sir, this is the correct platform, sir. In Zoom, very no, very. It is not nice.
Sir,
Okay,
चोर
okay. Well,
पकड़ा
I'm
गया.
using this only because see, whatever I wrote the content on white screen, no, it is automatically in your study material. After the class, you can able to see that.
Yes, sir.
So you need
Yes, sir.
load from
Earlier I
Yes,
have
sir.
WhatsApp and all. Okay.
And sir, here if someone will create nonsense, then he will be caught. He or she will be caught.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Now, if we have a class, no, see, our students are only doing things, not the outsider. We thought of outsider, but here are the people who are doing it. We are mature
जरा
enough
सा
now, no,
पकड़ा.
in class 11. We have to mature. Maturity must be there that we need to study, right? Okay, Megha,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
you are here only. What about the maths class?
Sir has disconnected and all the students are speaking too much.